This video is brought to you by CoolStream. Alright, hey guys, Josh with Bane Tech.
And Marshall Williams.
We are here at the Big Android BBQ number 5, and it's in Hurst, Texas. This is day number 2 video. Just going to be a recap, but basically, like this morning, we got up, got ready, headed out the door, got there and, started meeting some people right away, made some connections right away. And one of the cool things is that you download their app and you use NFC and then you get their name tag and you make connections that way. And you can see how it pops up with the profile. It's pretty cool. You can make like some really cool connections with people, and there's achievements that you can do, so it makes it fun. It's like a little contest going out to see who can get the most points. So they got that kind of stuff going on throughout the whole thing. So you're like today, Ray for the Ray barbecue, he was walking around. He was like, "Hey, I watched your videos and stuff like that." And then we talked, chit chatted, and scanned each other's stuff. And oh, you're Ray. So it's pretty cool little feature that they had with the scanning the name tags and whatnot, trying to find different people and who they are. We walked around the tables to get it going. Got a bag full of goodies. We got, figurines, candy. We got handouts. T-shirts. I think I got about 3 different T-shirts, so I'm good for my wardrobe. Pens. We got little figurines here. Bottle openers. Marshall doesn't have his pins all the way up, but it's like you can collect all these pins, and most people were putting them on our lanyards. Forgot mine in the car, so that's where mine's at. We got bracelets. It's just tons of giveaways, just little trinkets here and there. So that's a nice little cool part too that was fun, that made it interesting and interactive. The other part was really getting to talk to the different vendors and sponsors, from Samsung to HTC. Got all these different little Kickstarters. Oppo was there. It's just a lot. It was just really cool to be able to go around to all these tables, talking to the different owners and creators, developers. Just a lot of cool interaction with people. That's been the funnest part to me so far with day number 2, getting to get to know everybody, being able to find ways to connect to people even after the fact. One of the big things that we thought that was pretty cool is that we got to hear from the Google guys that Lollipop was the final beta was released, and we got to hear that from those guys. So that was pretty cool. And then they threw out a bunch of lollipops at us.
They mentioned they did mention in, when they were doing when it's doing beta, they had a name for it, a code name, and just so happened the code name happened to be exactly what it is, Android L. Now it's Lollipop.
Yep. There's also the other main part of the whole conference that are the sessions. And so the doors opened up about 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock was the keynote speech. And that was really cool because it felt like, to me, it was a miniature Google I.O. And that was just really cool to me because I've never been able to go to anything like this at all, let alone a big conference or, a keynote of an announcement of, software coming out or devices coming out. So that was really cool. And it's from the mouths of the guys that do all this stuff, the guys that are from Google, like Steve Kodnick. There's a few others, just, guys that, they're doing the Google glasses. They're the ones that do the material design that we're all fixing to try to get onto our devices. So just really cool stuff. That's how the day started out. Meeting all the people at the vendors, and then the keynote speech. And then from that point on, we had sessions of all kinds of sorts, whether it was for an NVIDIA Shield, Google Glass, Performance. We got to sit in with Steve with CyanogenMod, talking about the audio, performance and things like that. So lots of information. Mostly that was just completely over my head, but it was cool to kind of see the groundwork that's involved with what I enjoy with Android, just as my everyday daily driver device. So really cool stuff. That's what kind of stood out to me. You want to talk about a few things that stood out to you?
I enjoyed the chance to meet a bunch of XDA developers or people from the actual webpage, like TK, and I even got to see Noah. I haven't seen Noah in like forever. Piece of that. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, so it's pretty cool. It's been exciting. I hope that if you have not been able to come to this event, that you can make it next year. Because one, I want to meet you guys, and it's just a great way to hang out. It's in Texas, in the middle of the country, not way up in New York somewhere or way out in California. So this is just really cool. Really hope that you can make it out next year. I plan to make it as many years as I can at this point because I really think it's worth it. So, with that said, we have a bunch of footage that I put together as a compilation video for day number 2. So just kick back, relax, enjoy it. At the end of the video, we got some more pictures for you to enjoy. So thanks guys for watching and enjoy the videos. So here we are at the Android BBQ Samsung table. We got the Note Edge here on display, so it's pretty cool. We got a Samsung representative doing the VR demonstration. So he's in a helicopter demonstration right now.
Alright guys, how you doing? This is our Huawei Ascend Mate 2. My name's Sean Goforth. I'm with the e-commerce team.
This is our latest flagship device, Bane 7. So it goes with the Snapdragon 801 and it has 3 GB RAM.
And you can command it to do different things based on color match. So you can look at, this is an example like of a computer.
You want to pop these on, they can sit over your glasses, and let me just hold this up.
It's a lot of
So
fun.
this
It's
part
a
will sit on top
multi-surface
of your
device, so
frame.
it can read these cards.
They
You
also
can also
have,
get markers
you can get
and their piece of printer
prescription
paper and draw.
Alright, thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed those videos, and remember to stay tuned to the end of this clip so that way you can enjoy some of the photography and pictures that we took as well. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed yet, please do so you can see more videos like this.